Okay, so right now I am currently at an undisclosed location, so I'll be staying here for at least a few days before, I'm heading back to my original studio. So I know that some of you have already missed me in doing videos for Newscrypto. So the good news is that I am finally here. But of course, I want to make a quick shout out to the following. So if you see right here in this chat, Martin has quoted Yusuf's reply about the AI sentiment tool, tagging me. So he said, and I quote, "Nomad Fury, mate, where are you at? I miss you and your humor." This one was a classic. So if you don't know what it is, well, this is what they mean. This is an overweight version of me. So right now, I have lost more than 17 kilograms as of today. So I am almost 8 months in doing keto low carb diet. That's why I've lost a lot. And then Yusuf replied, these times. And then Kim and Kenya said, and I quote, "He is also missing in this bear market, LOL." And then Ajit's blessing followed up with this message, "Maybe he took a break." Look guys, I understand that you've missed me, but here's what I replied. So and I quote, tagging Martin161, Yusuf, Messi, and Kim and Kanye, "Hey guys, LOL, I am still here, but it's just that you can't see me. I'm doing the John Cena mode." And I know you guys have missed me doing the To the Moon soon, right? So I'm going to do it today. Yahoo! So this is your chance. Here we go.
To the moon soon and double shit to the moon soon.
Are you happy now? Well, I hope you do. But of course, this is not what I am going to talk about for this video. This is something really important for those of you who are into crypto trading and, getting attached to being emotional. If there are some uncertainties happening in the crypto market nowadays, especially that we are in the bear market. If you don't have this matured mindset yet or struggling in your emotions during this bear market, you may want to pay attention to this one. So make sure that you stay tuned until the end, peeps. So what's up, peeps? This is Jeff, aka Nomad Fury, and we're back once again for another weekly Newscrypto video, where it is the best place for money-making decisions in the crypto world. So Newscrypto is an all-in-one crypto ecosystem covering everything from education to industry-leading proprietary trading indicators and tools. So for more information, all you have to do is to simply go to their official website at newscrypto.io and explore their one-of-a-kind platform for crypto traders and enthusiasts around the world. And not only that, they also have a non-custodial mobile wallet and their next generation mobile app, which is available for Android and iOS devices. So without further ado, let's head over to our main topic for this week. Okay guys, so this is what I am talking about. A new premium content is already live in the Newscrypto platform, whether if you are a basic or a pro member. So it is all about Equanimous trading, how to master your emotions for a more profitable trading experience. So guys, once again, if you are one of those who is struggling with his or her emotions, no matter where the market goes, whether if it's bearish or bullish or just simply treading water, or you just simply expect the unexpected, well, this one's for you guys. So it is all about learning how to master your emotions. So out of everyone who will retweet this post, they are going to select 2 winners who will be getting this guide for free. This is how it looks like, guys. So the author is no other than Ivan Biaggi. So I apologize if I have mispronounced your last name. So premium content, guys, is not actually free, but of course, if you want to get your hands on this without spending any money, so all you have to do is to retweet this post and get a chance to be one of the 2 lucky winners who will be getting this guide about Equanimous trading, how to master your emotions for a more profitable trading experience for free. So how are we going to access this one? So first things first, you need to have a Newscrypto account. Whether if you're a basic member or a pro member, of course, you can access the premium content section. So how are we going to do that? So first, head over to the left side section, okay, and then choose premium content. So I'm going to click on this one, and you see a lot of premium contents being published by various authors, but of course the one that we are going to feature right now is the Equanimous trading by Ivan Biaggi. So I am going to click on this one, guys. So what are we going to learn about Equanimous trading by Ivan Biaggi? So I am going to read it right here, and I quote, "How to cultivate a trading psychology edge, what is mindfulness and how is it helpful for traders, what science says, how to build good habits and stay consistent, and mind over market." So guys, if you want to see the preview, so I'm going to click it right here, guys. So of course we have to wait. So this is the preview version of Equanimous trading by Ivan Biaggi. So he's a trader, a trading psychology educator, founder of Trading Composure, which is the leading trading psychology resource online. So you could see right here, guys. All right. So here is the author behind Equanimous trading. So you could see his description, and of course the 3 caveats. All right. So it's everything right here in the premium content section of Newscrypto. But of course, this is just a preview version. So if you want to access the full version of Equanimous trading, you need to buy the course, okay? So the original price is $19.99 US. But of course, they have a special promo for all of us. So instead of $19.99 US, now it's just $9.99 US. But of course, just like what I've said earlier, if you are going to retweet this post, so you'll have a chance to be one of the 2 lucky winners who will be getting this premium guide absolutely free. So of course, I'm going to scroll down right here. So this is the description of his premium content. So welcome to an ultimate trading psychology guide written by Ivan Biaggi. This premium report focuses on the psychology of a trader, how to be mindful, calm, and collected, and how to build good habits and stay consistent with the practice. Trading is a challenging game, and I highly agree on this one, guys. Especially me, of course, when I'm trying to trade some coins lately. Anyone can learn technical and fundamental analysis to hopefully gain an edge in the market, but still, the matter of who actually comes out with consistent profits is often decided precisely by their mindset. And of course, guys, a trader who wants to win and remain successful in the long run has to be extremely serious about their craft and master many mental skills. So guys, the main goal of this report is to shed light on how to develop that particular mindset. You will be getting as much value as possible in a very concise way. So we learn how to develop and maintain the perfect mindset to become a profitable crypto trader. So if you're on with this, so we could start right now. So once again, guys, I'm inviting you to try out the premium content of Ivan Biaggi, which is known as Equanimous trading, right here on the Newscrypto platform. So for a limited time, Newscrypto offers a 50% discount for all of us. So instead of $19.99 USD, it's just $9.99 USD right now. However, if you want to get your hands on this premium content for free, don't forget to retweet this post, okay? So you'll have a chance to be one of the 2 lucky winners who will be getting this premium content absolutely free. So I provided all the source links right here on my YouTube description. If you think that this video is so helpful, kindly share this to your crypto and non-crypto friends out there, especially those who are into cryptocurrency trading. So before we end, let's do another To the Moon Soon.
To the moon soon and double shit to the moon soon.
So guys, I have a question for you. What do you honestly think about this video that I have for you today? Do let me know right here in the comment section. Did you enjoy watching this video? If yes, I would like to thank you for this. And if you want to stay updated regarding my latest videos, interviews, and giveaways, just hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. And also you could follow me on my official social media channels. Alright, I guess I'll see you guys on my next video.